Have you ever stumbled upon a place that didn't just look peaceful, it felt peaceful? Welcome to Café Baliida, a quiet escape tucked away on Daebudo Island, just 90 minutes from Seoul. Yet it feels like an entirely different world. This isn't just a cafe, it's a gentle reminder to slow down, to breathe, and to feel present again. From the outside, it whispers Bali. Wooden beams, soft palms, sand-colored walls. It's as if the tropics decided to stop by Korea for a while. But step inside, and that's where the real calm begins. The first floor is warm and cozy, woven textures, soft lighting, and a subtle hum of quiet conversation. It invites you to sit, stay, and sip slowly. Then, you discover the staircase, and everything shifts. Upstairs, the second floor opens up with wide windows, letting in soft light and a full view of the ocean. No kids, no loud voices, just you, your drink, and the quiet. The drinks are as thoughtful as the space itself. Coconut lattes that taste like tropical mornings, smooth espresso, chilled mango smoothies. Every sip feels like a deep breath. And the cakes? Soft, buttery, not too sweet. The kind that pairs perfectly with a slow afternoon, but honestly, it's not about what's on the menu, it's about how this place makes you feel. There's a rhythm here. A calm flow you naturally fall into. The breeze, the music, the light, all working together to quiet your mind. The rooftop terrace adds one more layer of stillness. You can hear the waves from here, feel the breeze. There are simple rules. No pets, no loud noise, no distractions. They're not restrictions. They're protection for the peace. And once you're here, you understand why that matters. Because Café Baliida isn't designed for selfies or speed. It's made for stillness, for slow conversations, for meaningful silences, for people who are tired of rushing. So when your coffee is gone, don't rush back. Take a walk. Let Daebudo's quiet roads and coastlines continue the calm. Because days like this, spaces like this, they're rare and they're worth savoring. If this little escape touched something in you, leave a like, drop a comment about your favorite peaceful place, and hit subscribe to join more journeys like this on Nomad Fusion. Travel deeper, feel more, and keep discovering the beauty just beneath the surface.